Loss of someone refers to a birthday that falls after the death of a loved one, and it's a painful experience marked by sadness and grief. It's normal to feel a mix of emotions on this day, but there are ways to cope and honor their memories, such as reflecting on shared memories, engaging in an activity they enjoyed, or simply sharing a meaningful messages of remembrance. Thank you, Lord, for the precious gift of life and for this special day. I pray for your continued grace, guidance, and the opportunities to grow in faith and wisdom. As I celebrate my birthday today, I am filled with gratitude for the gift of life. Another year has passed with it, countless experiences that have shaped who I am. Each day has been a blessing, an opportunity to learn, grow, and become a better version of myself. Today, I pause to thank God for allowing me to see another year and for walking beside me through it all. Life hasn't always been easy, and this past year was no exception. There were moments when I felt overwhelmed, uncertain, and afraid. But through every challenges, God has been my rock. His presence gave me the strength to keep moving forward.